Hello guys, today's tutorial is about getting started with Anaconda. Before we move any further, let me tell you a little about what it is and its benefits. So, it is basically a data science platform which comes with almost all the libraries and packages that you will need for machine learning and data science so that you don't have to download and install them separately. It also has a Python distribution as well as a package manager called Conda to handle different environments for you. Some of the things that the installation package has pre-installed include NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Seaborn, as well as Jupyter Notebook, my personal favorite. So to put it briefly, it is a better option for you to use Anaconda as compared to installing all these packages using pip because it is a lot more convenient and basically you're less likely to run into any errors. Alright, so let's download and install Anaconda. You can find the link to this website in the description, and you can also just go to Google and type Anaconda for Mac and go to the first link. Let's click here, Anaconda installer for Mac OS. So you can install Anaconda for Python 3.6 or Python 2.7. In this tutorial, we'll be going with Python 3.6 version. That version itself has two other versions. One is with a graphical user interface and the other one is with the command line interface. So I would recommend to install the one with the graphical user interface because the CLI one is just a hassle and it doesn't really provide you with any extra features or anything. So best to go with the one which has the GUI. Alright, so let's click here. The download has started. While Anaconda downloads, I want to show you something that might be useful to you. So let's go a little down. You can go to this link to check out all the packages that come pre-installed with Anaconda. As you can see, it is a really long list. Installing all these packages individually would have been a pain. You can go to this link to try out Conda. It will give you a brief introduction to the major features of Conda Package Manager and would take around 20 minutes. Although it's not really necessary, but you can use this resource. The download has completed, so let's now install Anaconda. This is a fairly simple procedure. Click continue, continue, continue again, continue, agree, install. Okay, so this part is going to take some time, so I'm gonna just skip ahead. I do not want Microsoft Visual Studio Code, so I'm just gonna click on continue, and the installation has completed. You can now go to the applications folder and find Anaconda Navigator there. I'm gonna open it. Alright, so this is what the Anaconda Navigator looks like. These are the IDs that have come pre-installed with it, and there are also a few that you can install from here. To check out which packages have been pre-installed, you can go to the environments here. So this is a list of all the packages that have been installed already. You can search the packages that you want. Let's say NumPy. Okay, so we have NumPy. Seaborn, we have Seaborn as well. Let's search TensorFlow. Okay, so we don't have TensorFlow. That's not an issue. We can just install it from here now. This list basically was just the installed ones. We can select all from here now. Let's check TensorFlow here. So there it is. Just click here and apply. TensorFlow has finished installation, but that was just to give you an example. If you want to install other libraries, you can do that by following the same procedure. So let's now open a Jupyter Notebook and try importing some libraries just to make sure that they have actually been installed. Let's create a new Jupyter Notebook. Import NumPy, Shift Enter, it runs, that means it has been installed. Import Seaborn, import Matplotlib, import TensorFlow, and Shift Enter. This line executes successfully as well, which means that all three of these libraries have also been installed. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I recommend you to watch the next one, which will give you an introduction to Jupyter Notebooks which I believe is the best IDE for Python at the moment, and you should definitely give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Good day.